Look no further than the 2019 Nissan Titan. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Get the job done right with this mighty Titan. Full-size strength meshes with interior refinement and the latest tech to give you the edge in all your endeavors. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, bed liner, backup camera, 8-cylinder engine, fog lamps, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, locking limited slip differential, leather steering wheel. Rugged capability meets refined comfort in this well-appointed Titan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.